Okay, as you can see, I managed to get it out. Okay, so I'm going to pull this out. Remember, don't lose this. Okay, it's a tiny, really tiny, see? Okay, so put this right there. Okay, and then there's a nylon washer. We don't need to remove it. I'm just going to press, oh, wait a minute. Shoots. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to remove this lever right here. Okay, so we're going to take this out. Okay, and then push that through. Okay, there's another part, nylon. Okay, so to remove this, well, it's actually this. Remove this. We're going to take out the 2 Phillips screws here on the micro switch. Okay, same again. Don't lose these parts. Now, of course, most technicians would just replace this whole thing. They wouldn't even bother with this. But since we're trying to salvage this part, okay. Okay, a little tricky here. Oh, I got to take this out. That's, I think it's a 14. Yeah. Or maybe it's 17. 17. Let's see, 17. Yeah, 17 nut. 17. 17. Okay. And we're going to remove this hose. Okay. So now, of course, you have to check this pipe, blow air through it, you know. Okay, so the air is going through it. So even though I could probably clean it out, but right now I'm not going to do that. Notice there is a gasket in there. You need to keep that gasket because that's what seals this. As you can see, at one time it may have leaked, but a little tightening will do it. It's a nylon gasket, so it can be reused. I mean, if you got the parts, go ahead and change it. Okay, so we pulled that off. That was a 17. Okay, so I'm going to leave that over there. Okay, and then let's see. Is that a 17 also? Oh, that's a 17 also. Okay, so 17. Okay. So this is the lock nut. It just keeps the, it just, you know, holds the solenoid up in the air, the valve. Okay, so you can see. Okay, I'm going to leave this over here. These parts there. Okay, this is the pipe, screwdriver, micro switch. Okay. Okay, so now we got it. Okay, now this is the reason why we're taking this all apart, is because we need to extract this. Okay, so we're extracting it, put it over here, and then we're removing this lever. Now, the reason why we're trying to get at this is because there's 4 screws, and as you can see, they're Phillips, #1 Phillips, and they're pretty well snugged down. Now, I can't see this, so I'm going to go on the side. Oh, I don't want to strip these screws. Okay, so I want to make sure I want to make sure I have a good solid foundation on this. So I'm going to go off camera and try and remove these without stabbing my finger. Okay, let's pause.